Hello everyone, welcome to Basic Tamil class. Learn Tamil through English. I hope you all learn well about உயிரெழுத்துக்கள் in lesson 1. Okay, the second lesson in Basic Tamil is மெய்யெழுத்துக்கள். Let's start lesson 2. மெய்யெழுத்துக்கள். மெய் means body, எழுத்துக்கள் means letter. மெய்யெழுத்துக்கள் call it in English consonants. In மெய்யெழுத்துக்கள், there are total 18 letters. There are total 18 consonants, which are ik, in, ich, inch, it, in, it, in, it, in, e, ir, il, in, il, ir, in. These are the 18 consonants. Following, these 18 consonants are of three types. Not only that, every letter in pure consonant has a dot on top of it. If the dot is removed, it is pronounced with a sound. Now we looking to the three types of மெய்யெழுத்துக்கள். First one is வல்லினம். வல்லினம் means hard. Hard means loud sounding. Ik, ich, it, if, ir. And another sound like ka, sa, da, ba, ra. Second type of மெய்யெழுத்துக்கள் is மெல்லினம். மெல்லினம் means soft. So these letters are soft sounding. In, inch, in, int, in. Another pronunciation is ஞாஞன நமன. ஞாஞன நமன. The last type of மெய்யெழுத்துக்கள் is இடையினம். இடையினம் means middle. This இடையினம் sounds between loud and soft soundings. The letters pronounced like this: e, ir, il, if, il, il. Another pronunciation: yarala valala. Yarala valala. Okay, now we are start to learn how to pronounce the மெய்யெழுத்துக்கள். The first type is வல்லினம். First letter ik. Ik. Ik as in சக்கரம். சக்கரம். Second letter is ich. Ich. Ich as in பச்சை. பச்சை. Following it. It as in பட்டம். பட்டம். Next it. It as in புத்தகம். புத்தகம். Following ip. Ip as in கப்பல். கப்பல். Last one is ir. Ir as in பற்பசை. பற்பசை. These are the 6 letters in வல்லினம். Following மெல்லினம் letters. Now we start to pronounce in. In. In as in சிங்கம். சிங்கம். Second letter inch. Inch. Inch as in இஞ்சி. இஞ்சி. Following in. In as in கண்ணாடி. கண்ணாடி. Following ind. Ind as in ஆந்தை. ஆந்தை. Next letter is in. In is கரும்பு. கரும்பு. Following we see in. In as in mean. Mean. Following that we see இடையினம் letters. E as in say. Say. Following ir. Ir. Ir as in sugar. Sugar. Next one. Il. 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 Il as in mail. Mail. Following iv. 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 Iv as in செவ்வாழை. செவ்வாழை. Next one. Il. 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 Il as in யாழ். 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 Last one. Il. Il. Il as in பள்ளி. பள்ளி. That's all the three type of மெய்யெழுத்துக்கள். Thank you for watching this video. நன்றி.